We have nobody signed up yet. No, I'm not concerned. We have nobody signed up, and in part that's because we haven't asked anybody to sign up. We didn't even really start pre-sale until today. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, at last check, we have 3 people who are ready for their consults to find out if they're a good fit for pre-sale. Maybe no, 4 people. So I'm not concerned. I'm a business owner who wants it to happen faster, of course. Like, you ask any business owner, what do you want? And they're like, more. When do you want it? Faster. Hi, is this Stu?
Who's calling?
Hi, Stu. My name is Sean Pastuch. My father gave me your number, Keith.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good, thank you. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. Yeah, that would be perfect. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
That's the owner of a local newspaper. He owns newspapers that basically represent every town on Long Island that I can think of. I think there's 20 or 30 towns that he has represented. And I believe the client for this new space is actually spending their time reading through their local paper more than they are scrolling on Facebook and clicking on ads. So we're gonna be looking to spend our marketing money differently than what the average gym is trying to do, because we're not looking for the average gym client. Marketing isn't a scam. I've said marketing is a scam. Marketing is a scam because a lot of people think about marketing and advertising as the same thing. And I look at marketing as spreading your message, and advertising as putting word out about what you're offering. And I think that a lot of advertising is a scam. I think there's a lot of buy now, but wait, there's more in advertising, which generally speaking isn't getting people what they want, and everyone knows it. That's why when you get those flyers with a ton of stuff on them, you just throw them out. They go right into your trash. Marketing for gyms has become this super saturated thing where you throw as many ads on Facebook as you possibly can. You make an offer that seems too good to be true. People click on your offer, they schedule a call, they come and they find out the offer actually isn't true, but they're there, so they'll have the conversation with you anyway, and the entire first sale happens under false pretenses. I'm not suggesting that's how every gym does it, but it's that or some kind of a significant discount or a way to give them something for free to come in the door. And we're looking to do things very differently because we want people to value the service and the professionals inside, not some cheap deal that is not going to be how we service them long term. The ideal client who's going to be looking to find us is probably over the age of 40, and they understand the kind of life that they had mapped out for themselves, and they're not living it. They're dealing with some kind of limitation because of the way their body looks, feels, or performs. They're not lacking access to gyms. There are gyms everywhere. I think there's 14 gyms in Long Beach last time I counted. But none of those places are providing them with what they need, which is the education, the exercise, and the mentorship from a professional staff member who has dedicated their career to being great at this to help people who fall somewhere between or adjacent to fitness and healthcare. The biggest problem right now is that we really committed to doing this because the right space came into our lap at the right time. I should say that differently. The right space fell into our lap at the wrong time. We would have loved to have done a lot of the planning that we're doing right now prior to the space becoming available. But we knew that if we didn't jump on this space, we wouldn't get it. And if a space like this comes around in your town, you have to take it for what we're looking to do. So right now we have the bills of the space, the bills of the staff, and the bills of the build out without really being ready for all of the marketing that we wanted to have in place before we could start to tell people who we are, what we're doing, and who should join. When you see me a week from now, a nice outcome to have is that we've had in-person meetings with at least 2 of the 4 people who are in the pipeline, and we have a follow-up booked or somebody is already enrolled. I would love to have that be the case by next week.